Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video I'll explain another way to save time, especially for teachers and university students. When we need to write any paragraph or an essay, you can use this process in any program. Simply press on mic button in your keyboard and speak slowly and clearly. Of course, you can use this process in any language. You can use translate program if you don't have mic button, like this. Hello everyone. And copy the text if you need. I wish that was useful for you. Follow me to see more advices like this. English teacher Muhammad Nurskari. Thanks for watching.